Good morning, friends. Myself, Assistant Professor D.S. Kamble. In subject of management accounting, today we see the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. First, we see the meaning of financial accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting is an accounting system which is concerned with the preparation of financial statement for the outside parties. Which outside parties? There is creditors, shareholders, investors, suppliers, lenders and customers. It is the purest form of accounting in which proper record keeping and reporting of financial data are done. To provide relevant and material information to its users, financial accounting is based on various assumptions like principles and conventions like going concern, materiality, matching, realization, convertism, consistency, accrual and historical cost, etc. The financial statement consists of balance sheet and income statement and cash flow statement, which are prepared as per the guidelines provided by the relevant statute. Normally, the statements based on the financial accounting are prepared for one accounting year to enable the user to make comparison regarding the financial position, profitability and performance of the company in a specific period. Not only external parties, but internal management also gets information for forecasting, planning and decision making. It is the concept of financial accounting. Then we see the concept of definition and meaning of management accounting. Management accounting, also known as managerial accounting, is the accounting for managers which helps the management of the organization to formulate policy and forecasting, planning and controlling the day-to-day business operation of the organization. Both the quantitative and qualitative information are captured and analyzed by the management accounting. The functional area of management accounting is not limited to providing a financial or cost information only. Instead, it exacts the relevant and material information from financial and cost accounting to assist the management in budgeting, setting goals, decision making, etc. The accounting can be done as per the requirement of the management, such as weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc. And there is no format set on the basis of which it is to be reported. It means financial accounting and management accounting. Shortly, we will conclude here. The financial accounting provides the information to the second parties, such as supplier, investor, shareholders, lenders and customers. And management accounting, it is related as internal activity for board of directors, management it is. Now we see the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. First point is meaning. What is the meaning of financial accounting and management accounting? Financial accounting is an accounting system that focuses on the preparation of financial statement of an organization to provide financial information to the interested parties. And management accounting system which provides relevant information to the managers to make policies, plans and strategy for running the business effectively is known as management accounting. Now second point is, it is compulsory. Yes, financial accounting maintain is compulsory, but management accounting is not compulsory. Next point is information. Financial accounting consists only record monetary information, and but management accounting both informations recording monetary and non-monetary. Then objective of financial accounting is provide financial information to outsiders, and main objective of management accounting is to assist the management in planning and decision making process by providing detailed information on various matters. What is the format? The format of financial account is specified, but management accounting format is not specified. Time. What is the time frame? Financial statements are prepared at the end of the accounting period, which is usually 1 year. It means maintain only end of the year. It is only recorded 1 year, within 1 year. And management accounting, the reports are prepared as per the need and requirement of the organization. It means financial statement is maintained only 1 year, and management accounting reports are maintained or statements maintained as per the needs of and requirement of the organization. Users. Financial accounting information use internal and external parties, but management accounting information use only internal management. Reports. Summarize the reports about the financial position of the organization. It is included in financial accounting, and management accounting is a complete and detailed reports regarding various information. What is the publishing and auditing? The financial accounting required to be published and audited by statutory auditors, but management accounting published nor audited by statutory audit. It means 6 points included the difference between financial and management accounting. First one is meaning, second is compulsion, third is information, fourth is objective, fifth is format, six is time factor, 7 is users, 8 is reports, and 9 is publishing and auditing. The key difference between financial accounting and management accounting is, financial accounting is the branch of accounting which keeps track of all the information of the entity. Management accounting is that branch of accounting which records and reports both the financial and non-financial information of an entity. Users of financial accounting are both the internal management of the company and in external parties, while the users of the management accounting are only the internal management. And financial accounting is to be published, reported, whereas the management accounting is for the use of the organization, and hence it is a very confidential. Financial accounting is done in the prescribed format, where there is no prescribed format for the management accounting. Financial accounting focus on providing information about the functioning of the entity business to the its users, whereas management accounting focus on providing information to help them in evaluating the performance and distributing plans for the future. Financial accounting is a must for any company for auditing purpose. On the contrary, management accounting is a voluntary, as no editing is done. And last, we can say financial information accounting information is required to be published and audited by statutory audit, and then management accounting, which does not require information to be published and audited, as they are for the internal use only. Okay, there are 9 points is difference between financial and management accounting. Next lecture we will see the techniques, tools and techniques of management accounting. Thank you.